Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your ZTE Blade A31. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and we'll need to start searching for an app. Here write the Microsoft Edge browser. It's this app right here, and after opening, click install. And after installation process will be complete, we can open our app. From here, start customizing it. So first of all, you can log in or sign in to your other accounts in order to sync other Microsoft Edge devices with this one. But I'm not gonna do that, let's sign in later. From here you can accept or not, it's your choice. And it's the accept for data sharing preferences. I'm not gonna accept that. Let's go for the next step. And from here you can set the Microsoft Edge browser as your default. So let's do that. Select Edge and go for set as default. So now the browser is ready. Let's open any website. And as you can see, it works. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.